Now let us recap what we have covered as part of this basic AWS course. We started with signing up for an account. Once we signed up for an account and once we log in, we understood the services that are available on AWS very briefly. One of the services we deep dive a bit is EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Compute. In that, we provisioned an instance using CentOS as operating system with 1 GB RAM and 2 cores of CPU, which comes under free tier. Once we provisioned the instance, we understood some of the concepts related to EC2, such as AMIs, which is nothing but Amazon Machine Image, volumes. With EC2 instance, we have to create a root volume so that the instance can survive stop and starts. We also understood security related stuff such as security groups, key pair, which is used to connect to the EC2 instance. And also we understood how we can leverage elastic IPs to connect to the EC2 instance with using the same IP even after stopping and starting several times. After understanding all these concepts, we terminated the EC2 instance. We cleaned up the resources associated with it, and also we cleaned up the stuff which is created just for demonstration purposes, such as key pair, security group, etc. Once we understand EC2 in detail, then we went into the security credentials and see how we can create access key and secret key. Once access key and secret key are created and downloaded, we actually set up AWS CLI on our Windows machine, and then we actually configured the access key and secret key so that our AWS command line interface can interact with our AWS account using access key and secret key. Once we did that, we explored S3, which stands for Simple Storage Service, and created a bucket called ITVersity demo, and then we try to access it from AWS command line interface by using AWS S3 ls command. So these are the fundamentals of AWS which you need to be aware if you want to get started with AWS. Once you understand this, you have to touch base some of these concepts consistently to explore services on AWS further. Going forward, leveraging this knowledge, we will try to build skills on different services. It could be AWS EMR, it could be leveraging EC2 instances and setting up a Hadoop cluster, it could be exploring DevOps, it could be anything else. So using the knowledge which we gained so far is foundation for several things which we are going to explore in future.